Greetings, everybody. Jacob Dancer here, your Insightful Life Marketing Guide and Crypto Beginner Coach. I want to share with you 3 things that bullish mindset people will do after they experience setback or failure. Remember that knowledge of how you respond to learning from failure will convert fear into greater confidence. In my previous video, I shared the importance of having a bullish mindset versus having a bearish mindset. Bullish is no matter what failures I experience, I'm still going to see it as a learning experience and succeed. Bearish mindset is, this is too hard, too much resistance, I accept failure and quit. So it's extremely easy to say, have a bullish mindset and keep pushing forward. But the greater question is, how do we become bullish-minded after we experience setbacks and failures? You see, successful investors and leaders and companies that have gone on to make success in society and the world learn from their experiences and learn from failures as fast as possible and kept going forward. We can look at my life story as an example. When I first got started with cryptocurrency back in 2011, 2012, I made tons and tons of mistakes. I was extremely nervous. I didn't want to buy the wrong token or buy the correct token and then transfer it to the wrong wallet address. And there's other mistakes and failures that I learned on this path. I lost thousands and thousands of dollars over the mistakes over the past few years. However, feeling frustrated, disappointed, and stuck, I did not quit. And I also asked the correct questions because I wanted to convert those losses into solid lessons to learn from. So, how did I do this with a bullish mindset? First things first, number 1, I embraced and reviewed the failure instead of regretting it. I embraced and reviewed the failure instead of regretting it. I asked this question, what can I learn from this experience that I just failed at? Number 2, I just took the next step. Yeah, I felt overwhelmed and I felt really, really bad, but I just took the next step forward instead of taking 1,000 steps or 2,000, 5 million steps. Just take the next one, move forward. And then number 3, I did not and will not allow this current loss to determine my successful future. One bad decision doesn't determine your future. One setback doesn't determine if you're a winner or not. It's how you respond to the failure and converting it into the correct action and moving forward. That's what it's all about. So with that being said, another thing I learned is that most people aren't really afraid of the cryptocurrency. They're just afraid of making expensive mistakes, like getting scammed or losing money, or don't know how to be confident in this situation of learning a new skill. But that's why education and coaching matters. Education plus knowledge plus correct guidance transforms fear into confidence to move forward. So whatever you're doing in your life, it may not even be cryptocurrency. It could be whatever you're doing. I encourage you to practice having a bullish mindset by asking the right questions when you fail forward. Review the failure, embrace it, review it, and take the next step. And do not, I repeat, do not allow failure to define who or what you are becoming and where you're going. With that being said, success is failure turned inside out, and your future is depending on you to advance in the here and now. Speaking of education and guidance, I've created a crypto starter session, which is a one-on-one session with anybody who wants to learn how to get well acquainted with cryptocurrency, like purchasing it, transferring it, storing it, so forth and so on. If you're very interested, direct message me, Crypto Help, or message in the comment section below, Crypto Help, and we can get you started on HODLing, hold on to dear life, or holding on for your greater financial future. Everything is going that way with cryptocurrency, so you might as well learn how to do that, and you won't be left behind. Remember, being bullish does not mean that you fail. It means that you refuse to allow failure to be the end of your success story. Make it a blessed and bullish day, and I look forward to seeing you the next time. Blessings.